My dear friends, I want to welcome you to my channel and to another week of vocal positive affirmations. So let's go. My voice is a trumpet that announces new and beautiful things. Ma voix est une trompette qui annonce de belles et nouvelles choses. Meine Stimme ist eine Trompete, die neue und schöne Dinge ankündigt. I have to admit to you, I am a huge fan of Chaka Khan's. Her signature sound is very similar to a trumpet's. Very clear, distinctive, cut through, present announcer, an announcer kind of voice, a voice that lets you know I'm here and I'm here to say something beautiful, new, and positive. And I really hope that for our voices, my voice, your voice, everybody's voice, because we all have a very, very, very important and positive message to deliver every day. It could be the same, it could be something different every day, but we all have something positive to say every day. So I really hope for us that we take possession of this power in all our voices and we step out and we sound like a trumpet and we just spread that positive energy on ourselves and all the people around us. I put together a guided exercise for you to follow, so you just stay tuned and enjoy it. And enjoy your instrument that is similar to a trumpet. Hello, beautiful souls. Today I want to share a powerful affirmation with you. My voice is a trumpet that announces new and beautiful things. Let's explore what this means and practice a short exercise to embody this affirmation. Just like a trumpet, our voices have the power to project strength, clarity, and beauty. A trumpet sound is bold and unmistakable, cutting through the noise to deliver a message with precision and power. Similarly, our voices can inspire change, communicate clearly, and create beauty in the lives of those around us. Think of how a trumpet announces important events or signals new beginnings. Our voices can do just the same. When we speak with intention and confidence, we can inspire and uplift others, sharing new and beautiful ideas that can lead to positive change. Now let's do a short exercise to help you feel the power of your voice. Find a comfortable seated position with your feet flat on the ground. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Imagine your voice as a trumpet ready to announce something beautiful and new. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your throat. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, hum gently. Feel the vibration of your voice resonating through your body. Let's do this 3 more times. Deep breath in and hum. Deep breath in and hum. Deep breath in and hum. Now, let's think of something positive and beautiful that you want to announce to the world. It could be a kind word, an inspiring idea, or a message of hope. On your next exhale, say this message out loud with confidence and clarity. Sing it as if your voice is a trumpet announcing it to the world. Take a moment to feel the power and the beauty of your voice. Notice how your words can create a positive impact, just like the sound of a trumpet. Thank you for joining me in this practice. Remember, your voice has the power to announce new and beautiful things. Embrace this affirmation and let your voice be a trumpet that heralds positivity and change in your life and the lives of others. Stay blessed and keep shining. Until next time.